Right guys, we've come against to Worcester-Bosch and it's leaking right over there. Just can you see the water marks? It's pouring down into there. You see water. It's leaking from here. There you go. Thank you. So we're going to change the manifold on that. Power off.
The manifold.
Right, first thing we're going to do is drain it down. Use this spanner. Right, I'll take that from you. Right, we got this.
It's leaking?
Yeah, Dolly. Did you isolate the hot water? Yeah.
Hot, cold.
Ice, yeah. You might as well open the crack the nut on the hot water. While it's leaking, that's leaking.
Hot water?
Yeah. No, not that. There's no point in that. There's cold water in there, sorry. My fault.
So I'm thinking you said cold.
Alright.
So I'm doing this all.
Yeah, you go. Oh, we do. Right, guys, the pump is out. Now we've got more space to play with. And there's a pump. Dun, dun, dun.
So disconnect this.
Yeah.
Just pull it out.
Yep. No, just take the diameter out.
How do you unscrew it?
No. This.
Right.
Just set. Use pliers or something, long nose pliers. Where's my long? Oh, I'm going Ganovi. Fuck's sake, man.
Is that right and right?
Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Just put it to the side.
Ah.
Take it to the kitchen in case we need it, please.
Unscrew these now.
Which ones? We disconnected the plate.
Yeah.
Okay. Loosen it from that side. That's done. That's done. And this plate exchanger. So we just turn that a bit and hopefully that's come out. There you go. We're gonna just gently give a bit of a TLC. I'm just gonna pull it out. There you go. And that's it. Without cutting it, all I have to do is just turn it slightly. And that's basically it. Go. Now, all you gotta do is take this baby out.
Oh, where was the leak? I'm not sure where the leak was coming from.
And the leak was here. You see how water there?
Yeah.
So it's leaking from this normal place where it normally
Oh,
leaks
it's
from.
cracked. Look. See that?
Okay. So that's it.
Yeah.
The new one's over there from 1 second. So guys, we're gonna have to take that out. We're gonna change that. This is with the old new one. That adapter is gonna be changed, and the PRV I'm not gonna change that. Normally I change it, but I can't see any point of changing the PRV. So we're gonna change that. But that adapter is gonna be changed. Got a new one of that. Okay, let's go on with it. While it's out, we're gonna change all that. So we've taken the pump back case off that.
Right. Need some.
Okay, it's off there, see. So that's come off. I use my big screwdriver and just turn it and it just comes out.
There's got no rubber seal. So you can put a new one on.
Yeah.
PRV.
Yeah. No, we're not gonna put a new POV.
Okay.
We've done it in the past, there's no point.
Sits in properly. Says rust.
There's a new one in it. Oh no, it's not. We've changed that. We put some new rubbish in. We changed the PRV, right? And that's it basically. We're gonna put it inside the boiler. We're gonna put this on at the end. I think it's easier if we put that in first. We'll have more space on it. Do you know why? If you drop them and it gets, well, luckily we got no gap at the back. Sometimes we have gaps at the back and they fall through. Then you're screwed. So, okay. We take a lana. We got grease that up here. And sometimes drinking. That's it.
Have these here. I want to change this.
No, we don't change nothing there.
And that spring goes in there.
Yeah, we put that at the end. Because we can easily drop things. Let's see if it goes on first this way. This is the hard part, don't worry. So just relax. Once this is in, everything's easy after that. The hardest part is the bypass one. Don't know. If you want to take the thingy off, plate heat exchanger, it's only one screw, we can take that off. You want to take it off?
No, it's not in the way.
Okay.
That's in.
It's in. Now clip it at the back and that's it. Bob. Hook it into the back.
Clip.
Hook. Does it hook in? Is it hooked in?
Oh, that one.
Oh, no. So that's in, yeah? Yeah. They put the clip on and then we could turn it and then it doesn't move ever again. The clip's on here. Yeah. That's the clip for it. There's another clip. Where's the other one? The last one we took? That goes on here as well, but where's the other one? The original for it? Mele, ऐसे तो
Yeah.
मैं फिर कुछ रखी बोला कुछ रखी oh, here it is. Either way, whichever one you want to put on.
That's your clip.
That's the original we took off. Right, it's all gone back in.
Okay.
Bypass has gone in. Now I just gotta put the washers in and bang this. I should put the washers in now. You can use it? Oh, put that in. Shit. Right, we're just going to do it. No. I want to put some more Rafi songs on this, you know that?
Yeah.
I remember the first one, I'll put some more Rafi songs on it. And then I got bloody hell. So it's nice going on nice and smoothly. So last thing we're going to do is cross thread that. We'll be in a lot of trouble if we do. That's it.
Right.
No, that's it. Bang, easy now.
We can do it before he goes.
No, doesn't matter which way. Just goes into the notches. Okay, this is going to be a bit of a difficult one, but you got it then. It's not difficult as anything else. No. And that's it. There's no clip on there.
Mm-hmm.
Normally there's a clip on it.
Yeah, it clips this one.
What is it? Okay, that goes on.
That goes when you put the pump on.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
This fits in.
That's it. Just goes in. And then you just bend at the end. No, pump pliers and just tightens in, that's it.
It's all right now.
Yeah, that's it.
Right, these.
That's it. Do you want to change the rub?
Yeah.
Yep, that's it.
And this one.
That one goes inside there. See if the yeah, we got a rubber washer for that. Yeah. Yeah. It's one of the things. Goes through that.
That's brilliant.
Where are we? Guys, we're just changing the manifold on this return manifold. So I just want to say I want big up, what should I say? Big up to Aisha?
Yeah, we got to Aisha.
I just want to say a big up to Aisha from Moses School. Work hard, concentrate your education, and inshallah you'll become a very successful person and become a good human being. Is that right? And the pump is now going out. Basically, yeah, we're nearly done. So guys, we put a new adapter in. There's a new adapter in there. And we're going to put a new turbine in there. Here's the old one. It's okay. It wasn't broken or anything, but we still changed it. Okay.
Is it pushing?
Yeah, just push in. It's a bit more persuasion. No, put that on the metal plate on it first.
This one.
Yeah, put that on it first. I'll show you this one. No, wait. No need to force. So we're all done now, yeah. We're happy. I'm just gonna put this in, tighten that with a spanner. Clip that back into position. Is that right?
Yeah. Yeah, that's it.
It's locked. It's locked. Are you ready to do the honours? You want to do it?
Yeah, just
Open the hot water first.
cold.
Cold, slowly. Just a bit, innit? So. Right, just leave it, don't open it anymore. Let it pressurize. We'll find out if there's any. Good, two put there, Olivi. That's it. Now you can open it fully because it's pressurized. That's fine. Hot water's fine. Exactly the same principle on that one.
Too fast, ain't it?
And that's it. We're done. Well done, I mean. Alright, that's it. I was sorted. All you gotta do is put the final touches on.
Fire up.
Put this on. You won't fire up with that.
Yeah.
Oh, there's one on
There's
there.
right in there. Came with it.
Chica.
This here.
Don't worry about that. We can put that in the end. Ready? Condenser.
Oh yeah.
Where is it? It is. Call it back. Right, and the condenser is just going in. We're going to screw it in, and basically that's it. I've been saying that for the last 10 minutes. That's it. Done. We're nearly done. We're nearly done. We are done. You flash screwdriver, bro. Use that. That's it, man.
Have a look. You got it at the top.
Yeah, all, you know, this part here, that part. Push from there. There. I know it takes a bit longer, but get the job. At least we don't cut our fingers, bro. And that's it. Where's the thingy? Oh, there it is. That always goes from underneath. Wrong, the other way around.
Right.
That's it. Now we're ready to fire it up. Check the pressure. Pressure's on 0. We're going to top it up. Yeah. Actually, put this up first, then we'll pressurize it. Go on. Just put a screw on, don't worry. That's it. Two. Right, that's it. Pressurize it to 1.1, my favorite. That's it. Let's go for it. Fire it up, bro. 5, 4, 3, 2. No patience. Chalo, let's start packing up. Guys, we changed it. It's working fine. Try the hot water out and... So, guys, we changed the manifold on it. Return manifold. It's a lot easier than it normally be. Today was so easy. So we've done it about an hour. Done and dusted. No leaks on it, and it's all working fine. Till next time, Birmingham Boiler Fix. Pop, do you want to give me a review then? Come on then, come on this side. This side, come on this side. You know what to go?